Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. Last week's episode of Showmax hit a reality TV show The Mommy Club is still trending after Nunurai asked Omuhle Gela the biggest question that most people in Mzansi wanted to know. Who is your baby daddy? And of course, Omuhle Gela found herself not knowing how to answer Nunurai. Her clapback was her being xenophobic towards her about the economy of her country, which is Zimbabwe, after Nunurai had single-handedly dragged Omuhle Gela and Her Majesty, you guys. And after that episode, Mzansi really wanted to know who is Omuhle Gela's baby daddy. I've done a little digging on the internet, and this is what I have managed to find so far. A report by the Sunday World, which was written last year, has claimed that wealthy businessman Nsovo Mashaba is the father of Omuhle Gela's child. However, Omuhle Gela herself has not said anything about Nsovo being the father of her child. Omuhle's baby daddy, Nsovo Mashaba, is a well-known playboy who has a reputation for mingling and having an affair with high-profile ladies, especially celebrity actresses. He also enjoys showing off his bling lifestyle of flashy cars, designer clothes, and other valuables to his fans on his huge Instagram page. His Instagram, which has a lot of followers. In a social media post, the actress shared in August 2020 the reasons why she kept her fans in the dark about her pregnancy and the identity of her baby daddy. Firstly, she mentioned that she decided to keep a low profile on her journey to motherhood because it was an extremely sentimental experience for her. It was believed back then that she resorted to keeping her pregnancy a secret because she did not want to raise some dust or put up a public drama with the father of her child, who was already in love with another woman. Some sources also claimed that Nsovo denied fathering the child, while others reported that he said he is not ready to be a dad. He was not ready back then. You guys, now there you have it. Please do engage with me in the comment section. Also like, share this video, and please subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will truly see you on my next one. Bye.